Welcome to Hawkmeyer Outdoors, and on today's episode we're going to be going over the Sawyer Mini Squeeze water filter system.
Yeah, we'll get a little bit of this dirty water from the creek here, and that's going to be what we're using for the video. So, y'all stay tuned. To get this review started of the Sawyer Mini, let's go over a few of the specs. It weighs 2 ounces and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of fresh water.
That's right, it'll also filter 99.99% of bacteria and protozoa. However, it won't filter out viruses, so if you're concerned about that, you need to boil your water. Let's take a look at what's inside the packaging of your Sawyer Mini. We'll open it up. I tend to keep mine in here. It kind of keeps everything organized. You have your filter. Inside the guts of it, you'll have a straw. I have a syringe that comes in handy for cleaning your filter. You have a bladder bag. Put your dirty water in to run through the filter. And also a small cap to put onto your bag. And additionally, it has like little helpful hints and tips there how to use your filter, how to properly take care of it. Give you all a quick demonstration of how this works. We've collected some kind of dirty Buck Creek nasty water here. We're going to screw this filter on top of the bottle. Now you can use basically just about any kind of bottle. Make sure it threads on good, but this is just an old pop bottle. Screw it on. We've got a clean bottle here. It hasn't had dirty water in it. And kind of just give it a little bit of pressure. Don't squeeze too hard. You don't want to tear up your fibers inside the filter. Alright, just to kind of give you a little bit of comparison. Here. Here's a before and after kind of shot there. What we started with, and this is what we're left with after going through the filter. To demonstrate a couple of ways you can use this, I've attached the provided straw. We've got some dirty water here. I'm just going to suck it right up through there. One of my favorite ways, and kind of I think a little easier, just attach it directly onto the bag here. Got some more water in there. Hold her upside down. Give it a little squeeze, comes right out. Another way that you can use this, if you had a Camelback hydration system, you can put this in line. So you can fill your Camelback up with dirty water, run it through here, and you have your straw, and you'll get clean water out. The taste is not bad. It might not taste exactly like what you're used to in some bottled water, but I mean, as long as it's clean, it'll be good enough.
To do a little maintenance and cleaning of your filter after you're done, there is a directional arrow on here. You're going to want to place the syringe that comes with it on the opposite end of the arrow. And we're going to use a little bottle, see if it collects anything. But I don't think you have to do this a lot, but we're just going to show you because it does filter up to 100,000 gallons. But you're just going to push it back through. And you'd want to do that until your water is clean and you don't see any more particulates coming out of it. But that's just a little demonstration of it.
Now we've taken you through some of the basics of the Sawyer Mini here. Hawkins, do you have anything to add?
Yeah, real quick rundown on the prices. You can find these at Walmart. I believe he bought his off of Amazon. Around $20. They're a good thing to have in your survival pack or your hiking pack. Just a good item. But, I mean, the Sawyer Mini, pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't take up a lot of room. It's good for 100,000 gallons. That's a lot of water. You do need to maintain it, clean it regularly, and also be mindful that if there's water in here and you're in cold weather, it freezes, you can ruin your filter. But it should last for a good long while. Hey, it's a good little thing to have.
Yeah. Well, thanks for coming along with us, and look for the next one.
I will see you next time.